Hey everyone, it's Melody from KW Hometown. Here in this Cherryhill 08003, I have a property for you to rent. This is the property. It's a very cozy kind of like ranch. It's a split level, but basically, yeah, the stairs are very short, right? So when you see this property, the roof looks like it's a little bit black. Basically, as soon as the tenants live here for a month or two, and then we will change the roof, okay? So after the roof is changed, it's gonna be looking beautiful. All right, so here is the lawn. Nice and big. All right, let me take you to inside. Take a look. All right guys, so when we come inside, the left side is the beautiful living room, okay? So right here is a very good size, beautiful color, and right on your left is the thermostats, central air throughout the house. Then next to the living room is a beautiful kitchen, okay? So you have a window there, it's kind of half open, and this is the beautiful refrigerator. That's the dishwasher and the sink with the garbage disposal, which is very convenient. This is the stove top, and you have microwave. All right, so for the microwave, if you want, you can move or change to a smaller one. It's up to you. All right, and then next to the kitchen is the living room, also on the right side of the door. So this one is what's special about it is has actually high ceiling. So usually, you know, with like the older houses in Cherryhill, usually it's just a flat ceiling, but with this one, part of it is actually pretty high, which is really nice. And the view here is beautiful, as you can see outside. Okay, so here is the first floor, and then when you go upstairs, so this is split level, the stairs are very short. On your left side is a beautiful bathroom. This is the full bath, all right, with the very neutral and beautiful color. Here is the bath and toilet, okay? And then next to it is one of the bedrooms in a good size and in a very great shape. Next to it is the second bedroom. So this bedroom is a little bit bigger. Okay. And that's the mirror and the closet for the second bedroom. And the third bedroom is a little bit smaller. This one is basically using the lamp. So when you get in here, put a lamp, and then you will have the lighting. Okay, that's the closet. All right, so this is the upstairs, the 3 bedrooms. And when you go downstairs, so it's the kitchen. So when you come up downstairs, there's a whole another level, okay? So this whole area, you can treat it as a living room or family room, whatever you want. It's really nice size. And then this is the wood burning stove, which is also, you know, the shape and everything is very unique, right? It is beautiful. Okay, again, so this is a nice size living room or family room, okay, whatever you want to use it for. And next to it, you have the very good size of laundry room, okay? You have the washer and dryer, and that's the refrigerator, okay? Usually the washer and dryer sometimes, you know, in the basement or in a very kind of narrow area, but this one has a very good size. Next to here is another bathroom, which is very convenient. You know, the people from upstairs can use it, from this room can also use it, okay? And this is technically like a half bath, but it's very good size. Sometimes, you know, for some of the half bathrooms, it's really tiny, but this one, see I'm inside right now, but it's still like, it's fairly big, and it's beautiful, okay? And then next to this family room It's the you know, sunroom, you can call it. I mean, the sunroom, you can put the chairs, everything there, but you can also put a lot of plants if you want. And that's the backyard. Backyard is actually also fenced, okay? As you can see. All right. Okay, so this is the house. Right now, this house is renting for $2,800, and with a great school district, a lot of people pay houses overpriced to get to this school district. So this area is very competitive. So $2,800, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, great high school, middle school, and elementary school. Okay, so if you are interested, please contact me as soon as possible. My phone number is 856-536-0980. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.